Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Infantino Flip 4-in-1 Convertible Carrier, Gray. This is a great carrier, except it is a little difficult to put on sometimes, though the back could be sturdier, and the large clasps are cheaply made hard to unbuckle. Feels a bit rough, and the clips can pinch your fingers if you do not pay attention. 5 months old, and he was a little bit small for it, but now at 4 months old he fits perfectly. Takes practice to get good at putting on yourself, but easy to get the hang of. The best part is that all the straps are ready to wear before you put the baby in. You don't need to unbuckle everything every time you put the baby in, or out. Right now his cold weather suits provide extra padding so his limbs aren't directly resting on the straps, and it works great. He's secure and comfortable every time, and it's so much easier running out for errands into the city, or visiting friends and family. So the ones that get marks on their legs are probably sitting with more pressure on one side. Took it for a test walk today, and it is easy to get baby in and out of, unlike some of those other carriers. After a few practice runs, it's easy for one person to put on and to put the baby in. But he is a large baby, so if you have a smaller or average sized baby, this won't be an issue at all. Overall, it was a good buy for someone not wanting to spend a lot of money, or trying out a carrier to test and see if baby would like it. It is very versatile when it comes to holding our baby, and he is very comfortable in it. But it does its job, keeps baby secure and comfortable, and allows me to stay hands-free when baby wants to be held all the time. She's 2 months, and on the smaller side, so maybe that's why, but it's an easy fix. This lets you do that, then pull it on over your head since baby isn't in it yet. What a game changer. And the best part is that our baby loves it. She always falls asleep in it. Super comfortable, and love the 4 options for wear. Advise parents to limit front facing for baby hip socket development. This product is worth buying. It does the job, and you really can't beat the price. You can definitely tell a difference in quality between it and some of the nicer carriers. The only problem is when he relaxes and falls asleep, he kind of leans to the side and scrunches up. It provides a tight, snug, and safe fit, so there is no need to worry. It's worthless. Does not do much since it gets wet super fast and absorbs onto the carrier anyway. The quality is really nice, very durable, and seems to last for a long time, since the only support it had is on the most upper back and lower back, and none on the middle, which should be supported. She is now 2.5 months, and loves being in it facing forward. With that said, do not disassemble it when taking baby out without putting it back together before removing it from your person. Hers was quite expensive, but this one is priced so reasonably, and works great for me. Way easier to get the baby in, and out, and forward, and backward facing as a backpack, or chest pack. It's so quick, and easy to put on, and little one feels super secure in it. It's so easy to get her in, and out too, and she really loves being in it. She looks comfortable, and happy. All the other ones made her legs spread apart way too far. It's a soft material, easy to tuck into the trunk, and have at the ready. So far it seems to be a good quality, no issues with the materials or buckles. For the early months, this is a great carrier, and you can't beat this price. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.